Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my most recent office update slash layout for the new year. So ignore me, she's just moving around, she's getting adjusted. But I decided to switch things up. So as y'all know, I work from home and I'm going to start just doing a little spin while I talk. But I work from home and I go to school from home. And I spend a lot of time in my office, so I really like moving things around just to get a new layout. It's nice to move things around. And so I like to switch it up from here to there. And the biggest adjustment is that I actually turned my bookshelves into my handbag display, which I am loving, and decided to keep that. Move the bookshelves back to where they were. So this is where I initially had them and kept all of my books, but I never used my bookshelves for my books. Like, they stored them, but I never grabbed them. I generally kept the books that I was using on my desk, which I still do. And so I just decided to actually make these more functional, and now I use it more frequently because I use my bags way more frequently than I use my books. And then I've also added some storage on here as well. But I saw someone use the exact same bookshelves on TikTok for handbags. I loved the way it looked, and I just knew I had to do it then and there. So this is the handbag display. And then with that, because I do work from home, I have a lot of meetings, and I didn't want this in the background. So I actually decided to move my work from home desk, which I need to clean the wall. So here's my desk. It's a standing desk, and it was right next to this desk. And I decided just to move it where the bookshelves were by the wallpaper. So I had the space, and I just thought it'd be nice to kind of, again, really separate work from my main desk. This is where I do all my schoolwork. This is where I plan, fill all my content, also where I study. And so anything but work. And so I got the second desk from the last setup video that you saw, and I got it because I wanted a separate workstation. And now I feel like it's really separated. We need to finish the wallpaper down here, so please ignore that. I had the couch there, then the bookshelves, so we never needed to do it. Honestly, we might just keep it like that. I don't mind, but let's just look at the top part. Yeah, this is the work setup, so nothing's changed here. I have my stool, still have the same mat. The only difference is I had to get a bed for Mia because she normally spends time on the couch. Mia, her allergies are acting up, so she's been itchy. We have our toys underneath here. I moved my fridge from underneath my desk to this corner because I need it where I'm working so I can grab a snack and drink while I'm working. So I prefer to have it close by my work desk. So I really wanted to make that change as well. I have snacks for Mira. Here's inside the fridge. So I just like to keep some sparkling water. I have some apples and then some almond butter for the apples. I have some Chobani yogurts and then the smoothie ones. So this is generally what I keep in my fridge. Just light snacks and definitely water. I've been keeping some Sprites in here as well, but that's the fridge. And then we have my desk. So my bookshelves held my printer. And so I actually decided to move my printer over here, which is the first time that I think I've really had it in arm's reach. And I really like having it here. It's just so convenient to print things off, especially when I'm planning and I need more inserts. It's all right here. And so I'm really happy that I did this. I just had to get an extension cord to do it. But I added my printer and then this organizer. This just went back to where it was. I initially had this here and then decided to move it with the printer for extra storage for the paper. And as y'all can see right now, I just have a few things on here. But once school starts back up, I'll keep my books and stuff that I'm using on here. But for now, it's just pretty empty. But I added those. On my desk, we have my large ring agenda. This is where it stays. And then I have my 16-inch MacBook Pro that we keep here. I primarily use this for editing. And then, of course, on the go printer. And then I have my newest iPad case from my husband. It's a little heavy, so I decided to use this for when I travel or whenever I need the keyboard. But for day-to-day, I don't really need the keyboard. So I have my iPad mini here, and I like using it to watch videos while I'm working on stuff, or if I'm studying, I can have my document up and then I'm looking at articles here using Sidecar. So this has been like where my iPad mini's been like housed whenever I'm in my office. Some inserts over there. I have my sticky notes, Dior notebooks. Both of these are for school. I have this pouch, and right now I think this just has some tape in there. And then a fan because in Texas and right by a window. My most used pens. I have my badge for work, scissors, adapters for my laptop, some Unipens. So just my most used stationery items. So this is my new tactical planner. It's the Hermes planner. And honestly, guys, I've been keeping this open on my desk here. I have this on my planner cart, which again, we'll go over in a different video. But honestly, I've just primarily been keeping this out because I write in everything that I need to do. And of course, I'll have an updated video on this probably this upcoming week and how I'm using it, and we'll set it up in a plan with me. But I've been keeping my tactical planner here so I can actually use it. So yeah, that is the desk. I did set up my planner carts a little bit differently. So I went through all of my planner stuff and got rid of a lot. I also threw away all archived inserts. So I'll have a separate video going over all of the planner carts, but that way I can go into like detail with this. Yeah, this is the office setup and I absolutely love it. Mira likes her new bed a lot. We got this at Target. I'll have everything linked below that I can link. But yeah, I wanted to share this update with you guys so y'all can see the newest layout. And I really thought it'd just be a fun video to start the new year with y'all. So yeah, other than that, that is the updated office layout. And that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.